Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are well, fit and healthy. So student, we are solving the today date is 29/8/2020. We are on chapter number 14 and we are solving the book exercises. So your question number 1 is tick the correct answer. So this is a MCQ question. For the same question there are 4 options are given and you have to choose the right option. Okay, so the Deccan Plateau has dash rainfall: average, too less, too much, none of this. So in Deccan Plateau the rainfall is average. Is it clear, student? In Deccan Plateau the rainfall is average. Okay, now and student, you have to note down the book exercises in the book. So open page number 90. You have to note down the book exercises in the book and question answers and diagram of the chapter you will complete in your classwork copy. You will complete in your classwork copy. So let's start from the question number 2. Question number 2. The red soil is suitable for growing the red soil is suitable for growing. Option number A. The red soil is suitable for growing oil seeds. Option number B. Sugar cane. Option number C. Millet. And option number D. None of these. Option number D. See, now in MCQ question it is asked which soil. So the question is the red soil is suitable for growing. So options are red soil is suitable for growing oil seeds, sugar cane, millet, and next none of these. So student, sorry, option number D is all of these. Option number D is all of. So student, when we are talking about the soil, So both type of soil are found in this peninsular plateau, that is red and black. Both type of soils are found here. Okay, so it is option number A, it is given oil seeds, option number B sugarcane, option number C millet, and option number D all of these. So when we कंबाइंडली जब हम बात करेंगे कि इस प्लेट्यू की सॉइल क्या है, वहां रेड सॉइल भी है और ब्लैक सॉइल भी है, एंड दैट इज द रीजन ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ दिस इज द राइट आंसर. Is it clear? That is the reason option number D, all of these is the right answer. Tick this one. Okay, tick this one, because the red soil is suitable for growing. But when we are talking about the पेंसुलर प्लेट्यू की जब हम बात करते हैं बेटा, तो वहां रेड सॉइल भी है और ब्लैक सॉइल भी है. तो रेड और ब्लैक दोनों ही सॉइल्स ऑयल सीड्स के लिए क्या है, ब्लैक सॉइल इज वेरी गुड होती है. ठीक है, एंड शुगर केन और मिलेट द इट इज गुड फॉर रेड सॉइल. ओके, so here the options are given separately, so that is the reason we choose option number D, all of these. आगे समझ में, इसलिए क्योंकि पूरे प्लेट्यू की जब बात करेंगे तो वहां रेड सॉइल भी है, जैसे हमने इसमें पढ़ाया था आप लोग को इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. द सॉइल हियर इज मोस्टली ब्लैक एंड रेड इन कलर. ब्लैक सॉइल इज गुड फॉर द कल्टिवेशन ऑफ कॉटन एंड ऑयल सीड्स, and red soil is found here. It is suitable for groundnut, sugar and millet, जिसे बाजरा बोलते हैं. ठीक है, so here it is asked red soil is suitable for growing, but the options which given in the book, that is oil seed, sugarcane, millet, and option number D, all of these. इसलिए इस ऑप्शन को चूज किया है. ठीक है, all of these, because both types of soils are found in peninsular plateau, that is red also and black also. Is it clear? So note down the answer, all of these. Now question number 3. Most rivers of the Deccan Plateau flow first is northward, second option westward, option number C eastward, and option number D southward. So student, most rivers of the Deccan Plateau flow. ठीक है, so most of the rivers flow in which direction? They flow northward, westward, eastward, eastward, or southward direction. So student, let recapitulate what are the name of the rivers that found in a Deccan Plateau. That is here Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri. So these are the four rivers: Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri. They all rises in the west and flow into the Bay of Bengal. ठीक है, these all rivers arises in the west and they flow into a, in the last the water of this river mix with a Bay of Bengal. And in the Indian map you have seen this side west. For example, if you see the rough diagram of the map, then this side is the west and this side is a east, and here you have Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. Here you have Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. And west side you have Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. So these the rivers which are found in Deccan Plateau, these rivers rise from west, from the west side, but they flow towards east, because Bay of Bengal is in which direction? East. They rise in the west but they flow in the east, and then their water join into a Bay of Bengal. So four options are given: northward, that is not a right answer; westward, no, this is not a right answer, because from west side these rivers rises from west side; eastward and southward, southward is also not a right answer, because these rivers are these river water mixed with a Bay of Bengal. And southward we have a Indian Ocean. In south direction we have a Indian Ocean. So right answer is eastward. Eastward. Is it clear? So the question is, most rivers of the Deccan Plateau flow. So what is the right answer, student? Right answer is eastward direction. Which direction? Eastward direction they are flowing. Is it clear? So note down the answer. This is the right answer, eastward, and here you can also write. So most rivers of the Deccan Plateau flow eastward. Is it clear? So note down this answer from the board. Now we will complete question number 4. Note down question number 4. The highest waterfall of India. Fourth is the highest waterfall of India. Option number A, Joy Fall. Option number B, Jog Fall. Option number C, Nilgiri Fall. ऑप्शन नंबर डी तापी फॉल. So student, when I am teaching you about the Deccan Plateau, at that time I told you which is the highest waterfall of India and it is in which state, that is Karnataka, and it is on which the, what was the name of the river? Sharavati river. ठीक है. So and it is in Karnataka. It is in Karnataka. So this is the one of the highest waterfall of India. So options are given: Joy Fall. No, it is not right answer. Nilgiri Falls. This is also not a right answer. Then Tapi Falls. This is also not a right answer. So the right answer is Jog Fall. Is it clear? And it is on the river. It is located on the river it is located on the river Sharavati river, and this river is in Karnataka. Where is it? This river. This river is in Karnataka. Is it clear? So right answer is Jog Fall. Completed. Now let students solve the book exercises of the chapter, that is fill in the blanks. This is the MCQ question. Now we will complete fill in the blanks questions. So question number B. Fill in the blanks. So question number 1. The river dash divides the Deccan Plateau into the parts. So student, what is the question? See this peninsular plateau, जो आपका triangular shape peninsular plateau है, there is one river which is responsible for that. It divides the plateau into two parts, that is Central Highland and what? Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. So this river divide the peninsular plateau into two parts. And what was the name of the river which divide the peninsular plateau in two parts? That is Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. So the name of the river is Narmada river. What was the name of the river? Narmada. Note down. What was the name of the river? The name of the river is Narmada river. Okay. Note down the next question now. Question number 2. Black soil is good for. So student, you have to tell black soil is good for what? So black soil is good for growing cotton and oil seeds. Note down. Note down black soil. The black soil is good for growing cotton and oil seeds. It is good for growing cotton and oil seeds. Question number 2. Note down. Next question. The rivers of the south the rivers of the south are fed by see student, I have already explained you the rivers which are found in these region. These rivers are not Himalayan. These rivers are not coming from the Himalayas range. So their origin is not from the melting of the snow. ठीक है, इनकी origin glacier से नहीं हुई है. These rivers are not coming from the Himalayas. So the river of the south are fed by, it means the water in the rivers which are found in south. So what is the source of water of that rivers? उन rivers में जो water है उसका source क्या है, कहां से वो water आता है? तो that is by the rain. That is by the rain. So the source of water in the rivers which are found in south, and the source of water is by rain. This is the rain water. Now see question number 4. The dash are the dash are rich deposits of okay. So student, here you have to tell the dash are rich deposits of coal, where we find coal. So in where we find the coal, student, we find coal in Chota Nagpur plateau. Is it clear? So where we find the rich deposits of coal in Chota Nagpur plateau. Where we find it? We find it in Chota Nagpur plateau. Is it clear? Note down in your book. Now we will. Now student, the climate of Deccan Plateau is question number 5. The climate, the climate of Deccan Plateau. The climate of Deccan Plateau. What type of a climate found in Deccan Plateau is moderate climate. Note down. Moderate climate. Okay, the climate of Deccan Plateau is moderate. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is that at the time of summer it is not very hot, or at the time of a winter it is not very cold. जैसे बहुत गर्मियां है तो बहुत गर्म नहीं होगा, और अगर बहुत ठंडी है तो ये बहुत ठंडा नहीं होता है. ठीक है, होल ईयर ऐसा ही क्लाइमेट रहता है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट इज नोन एज मॉडरेट क्लाइमेट. So the climate of Deccan Plateau is moderate climate. Is it clear? Now student, let's start the true and false exercises of this chapter. Now so student, after completing fill in the blanks of the chapter, let's start with the question answers of the chapter. No, first we have to complete true and false, then question answers. First, write true or write true or false. First is red soil is good. Red soil is good for growing. Red soil is good for growing cotton. So, what is the answer, student? Red soil is good for growing cotton? No. We know that groundnut, sugarcane and millet, these are grown in red soil. Red soil is good okay for growing cotton. So what is this? This is false. Which soil is good for growing cotton? Black soil. Which soil is good for growing cotton, student? Black soil is good for growing cotton and oil seeds. That is the reason this answer is false. Okay, thank you, student.